Experiencing frustrating graphics glitches and a drop in performance after an Nvidia driver update? A quick fix is often reverting to a previous driver. Start by clicking the Windows search bar and typing Device Manager. In Device Manager, locate Display Adapters and click the arrow to reveal your graphics card, usually an Nvidia card. Right-click on your Nvidia graphics card. Select Properties from the context menu. This opens the Properties window. Click on the Driver tab to access driver options. Here, you'll find the Rollback driver option. If it's active, you can revert to the previous driver. Click it. Confirm the action. When prompted, Windows will then uninstall the current driver and reinstall the previous one. Follow any on-screen instructions. Your screen might flicker or go black briefly during this process, and your computer may restart. Don't worry, this is normal. Once complete, you should be back on the older driver, hopefully resolving the issues and restoring your smooth graphic performance. If rollback driver is grayed out, you might not have a previous driver to revert to, or consider using DDU display driver on installer #driver revert #KevinHowTo.